In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in OneDrive step by step using the 2025 desktop browser interface. We'll move through the process clearly and carefully so you can follow along without any guesswork. You can use any modern web browser. The interface looks and behaves the same across major options. First, open your web browser and head to the OneDrive website. This takes you to Microsoft's secure sign-in page for OneDrive on the web. When the page loads, sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and complete any verification prompts you might see. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive home. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. Click My Files. This is your central library where your folders and documents live. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place and that you're viewing the list or grid you prefer. Next, locate the file you want to rename. You might see it right away in the main list, or it could be inside a folder you recognize. Make sure you've identified the correct item before making changes, especially if the names are similar. When you've found the file, right-click it and choose Rename from the menu that appears. On a trackpad, a two-finger click counts as a right-click. On a touchscreen, a brief press and hold will open the same menu. Selecting Rename highlights the current file name and lets you edit it directly. Type the new name for the file. Keep it clear and descriptive so you can identify the file later at a glance. It's a good idea to avoid special characters that might not sync well across systems. Also, don't remove or change the file extension at the end of the name if you see one, since that tells apps what kind of file it is. When the name looks right, press Enter on your keyboard or click Save in the prompt. OneDrive will apply the change immediately. If you see a brief spinner, that's normal. It's just confirming the rename across your cloud storage. Your file will now appear with the new name in My Files. If the file is shared or syncing to your other devices, the updated name will carry over automatically, helping keep everything organized and easy to find. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.